Quick reading for January the 7th to January the 8th, a Capricorn. So we have the Knight of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Ten of Cups. So parang unti-unting aayusin, parang someone is tiptoeing, no? Yung parang, hindi ito yung pagtakas. Ito yung tiptoeing na parang bumalik sa loob ng bahay na dahan-dahan pumapasok para hindi masita, no? Subukan niyo na yung tumakas, yung parang gano'n. So this is somewhat the energy of this reading na parang babalik ako, no? Pero sana pagbalik ko yung parang wala ng usapan, no, tatanggapin na lang ako. I feel like ayaw ng magkaroon ng conversation basta maayos na lang. Parang 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 ang feeling ko hindi yata puwede yung gano'n, na parang babalik ka sa buhay ng isang tao as if nothing happened, kasi nagkaroon ng separation. I think that someone here is medyo merong kaba, may takot, pero I feel like kailangang harapin, no, yung mga tanong, kailangan sagutin, yung mga clouds na nabuo, no, sa, isip ng isang tao. Yeah, this is your quick reading. Capricorn, no, for January the 7th to January the 8th.
Predicting future isn't my purpose.